This is for our Whirlpool Model 1 or Model WT W5000 DW1. And I got to it, but this isn't supposed to spin freely on there, so I think it's just a hub piece that I got the part I'm looking at on the computer, so I'll put the link to it. But this one I'm trying to get off, and mine's like stuck, so that's what we're doing right here, so I'll come back to it. But yeah, I think doing 7 loads a day for a couple of years took a toll on it. We got something else that broke. It all breaks at once. But yeah, we'll get back to that. So if yours does this, shouldn't do that on the shaft. Like, so the whole thing, they should stick together. It should only move like that much. So it's spinning freely on here. So I think my plastic teeth are shot. But we'll get to it. So I'll be back. Thanks, guys. So this took forever to pop up, but you can see it's dirty and dingy and all it's used, whatever. But the spline on there goes on that shaft. But I want to say, you can look in here at where the dinginess is, that piece. I'm working on getting that little, it's like a little locking pin, and that part right there shouldn't spin, and I think that's what's spinning freely on the shaft, so that's why I'm getting the error code and it doesn't spin dry the clothes. So this part itself is $15, and so that's what I'm working on to get out right now. It's just being a pain in the tush, which whatever, if I can get it out and we can get this piece off and I get that hub coming, I think we'll be getting back in business, and we'll go from there. But yes, what it looks like, I had to rock it back and forth, and I ended up taking a little bitty stubby and like working it back and forth, hex pattern star, you know, back and forth on all this stuff. Because it didn't, like, I did see something from a Whirlpool, like a parts site, that was like, should just be able to pop it off. Yeah, no, not from 2 years of hard use. It sure didn't want to pop off. But that's what it looks like. I'll bring it back when I get that part off. Thanks, guys. Oh yeah, so sorry I didn't show getting out. It's a little complicated here. I can put it back together with it. But you can see plastic wore out here, so it's burning and stripping. And so it's not perfectly shaped. The teeth are alright, some parts of it. And then there's stuff. So then you can see ours is dingy. I just told that to Melissa. She's like, oh, I gotta do the clean cycle on it. But you can see that's like melted plastic. So that's why our stuff's not working. So now we're gonna get it fixed. I'll get this $15 part coming. Hopefully it's not 10 years, but we'll try this first. And then if this don't work, she's going gone. I'll shoot it up like 2A did. And so that's where we're at here. But yeah, so this is the part I gotta get, and it's gonna be coming right now. So thanks, guys, and I'll actually plop this out there when I put it in and stuff. But you can see that this just goes in there. This is the lock on it, and that's it. And then you screw them in to the piece, and that's what it bites the hub of the actual wash plate is what they call it. And there we go. Thanks. So guys, how you doing? Got our new part. We're gonna assemble this, and I'll actually put the thing in there. So you don't do much of nothing here. Oh, I got all my junk here that I kept. It's all old. Let's make this work. The boss has got a pile of clothes with 7 of us. Luckily it came today, because it's supposed to come tomorrow. So it's got the spline. See it sitting there. All you do, can't see if I get this on. Well, yeah, that's it. Push it on there. Well, we got 2. I guess it would help if I put the part on there. Yeah, let's put our new part in. I just put the piece on there like a dummy. So, what you do, this piece goes on there. Gotta find the spline for the holes to line up. Here we go. There we go. Oh, what the hell? Don't look, that ain't sitting right. Is there a mark? No mark, no mark. They just go. There it goes, just like that. Screw it in real quick. Get my stuff. You can do it by hand. I'm not gonna do it by hand. I gotta leave one out too, because it's stripped a little bit. So let's go like this. Bad one. Go. I'm gonna leave the bad one out. I don't care. We're already so get them in there, get them going. Sorry about the funness. One stripped. Shit, my screwdriver maybe snug it at the bottom. There we go, we'll call it in. So now I gotta find the piece here. So that's it right there. Then you just put your piece in, and that's it. Now we'll put the top on it. Hopefully this bad boy won't slip no more. And the boss. So again, got our teeth. They made up to that. There's no funky business. You just catch it. And that's it. So that's how it's supposed to go. Not really turn. Ours is spinning freely. I hope that was the problem. And we'll be back in business here in Miss Mel's house. It is. I got a frickin'. That's an 11 mil. That's it. Analyze that. There you go. Looking good, looking good. Perfect. Got my little dust cover. Put this little bad boy up on it. Our girl is ready to work. Babe, it's all you! Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys.